Welcome to our full guide on how to turn on comments on YouTube. Enabling comments on your videos can encourage engagement and interaction with your audience. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Open the YouTube app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap your profile picture located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. At the top of the screen, you will see View Channel. Tap on it to navigate to your YouTube channel. Step 4. Once on your channel, locate and tap on Manage Videos. This will allow you to access the settings for your videos. Step 5. Find the video for which you want to enable comments. Tap on the 3 dots next to the video to reveal more options. Step 6. Tap on Edit to enter the video editing mode. Step 7. In the editing menu, look for the comment section. Tap on it to open the comment settings for that particular video. Step 8. Finally, select On to enable comments for that video. Congratulations! You have successfully turned on comments for your YouTube video. This will allow viewers to leave their thoughts, feedback, and engage with your content. Remember, it's important to moderate and respond to comments to foster a positive and interactive community. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials.